The occurrence of Anglo-Kuki War 1917-19 is a much contested historical event among communities in Manipur, with indigenous communities like Meitei, Tangkhul, Kabui and others referring the occurrence of Anglo-Kuki War. However, amid the confusion and disagreement, an official Indian government website that is amritmahotsav.nic.in under the Digital District Repository section has posted details about an Anglo-Kuki war at Longpi 1917-19. According to the website attributed to the Indian Cultural Portal, Ministry of Culture, Government of India, the Anglo-Kuki War at Longpi, which took place from March 1917 to May 1919, was a rebellion by the Kuki people against British colonial rule in the Ukhrul district of Manipur. The website further claims that factors such as forced recruitment for the First World War, oppressive taxation and British control over village chiefs led to a Kuki uprising across the hill areas. The text describes various tactics supposedly employed by the Kukis, including guerrilla strategies and attacks on British outposts. It also stated that the major causes of the war included resentment towards the forced recruitment of labor for the First World War, oppressive taxation and local officials, British domination over their village chiefs, the continuation of the oppressive Pothang system. This gave rise to the uprising throughout the major Kuki-inhabited hill areas. The protest began with the Kukis' refusal to participate in the war, and the British responded by plundering the Kuki village of Longpi, which provoked a violent reaction from the Kukis. They used a variety of weapons, including firearms, bows and arrows, leather cannons and poisonous arrows, and employed guerrilla tactics, making it difficult for the British to counter their attacks. Scholars and local historians are now calling for the official in charge of Ukhrul district to clarify why such an inaccurate historical account has been placed on the government website.